Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about organizing's busy season. So for us at Meat and Potatoes Organizing, busy season is kind of that crunch time at the end of the year when everyone's going back to school, fall is starting. We're thinking, oh man, I really need to finish all of those projects that I wanted to get done this summer and I didn't. So what happens is this is kind of our go time where we help people with the move process, we help them pack, we help them unpack, we help them unpack and organize in their new homes and just kind of get them set up for success. We also kind of help people check off their to-do lists. If there's like a long to-do list in your house, we figure out how to get as much of that done as we can, as we're capable of as professional organizers. And so what does this mean for you? So this week's Just the Tip is all about figuring out what's left on your to-do list for the year and figuring out if having some help or having a professional organizer might help you get it done. If that's the case, let us know. We are so happy to help, but go ahead and throw that to-do list together and let us know what you think in the comments. All right, we'll see you next time.